is Anne Egrube, Vine Cakes Port Harcourt. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I smoothen my buttercream using my fondant smoother. Yeah, it's very interesting. But I'm using a crusting buttercream recipe, which I'll drop in our description box. Yeah, if you want the recipe, just go to our description box and you'll get the recipe. This buttercream is a crusting recipe buttercream, so it allows you to do a lot of things on your cake. So I'm going to show you how I use my smoother. Yeah, I'm just covering my buttercream first. I'll just cover my cake with buttercream before I go into that process. Thing to do is to cover your cake with your buttercream. That's what I've been doing. After this, the next stage will be to allow your buttercream to firm up a bit. Because our buttercream is firm, it will crust in no time. Okay, so I'm going to just allow it to crust for say 10 minutes. I know it's already crusting. You can see there's no stain on my hand, on my finger. So it's crusting, but I'll allow it to firm up some more for 10 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you what I want to teach you today, okay? Stay with me. See? And that you're not applying so much pressure. Just gently. Just massage it gently and you'll be fine.